Hi everyone, I am hoping that you all are fine. So guys, in this video, I will discuss about 10 important tips and strategies to crack upcoming September 2021 exam for CMA Foundation and for CMA Inter and Final October 2021 exam. Okay, although still guys, most of the CMA student has issues with the mock test paper, and yes, most of the fraternity has requested institute to provide relief to CMA students, and yes, institute also considering all these points and hoping that soon institute will provide communication. Whenever institute will provide such kind of communication, surely I will share with you. Till then, my suggestion to you: do not wait or waste even a single minute to wait for the communication from institute side. Continue your study. So in this video, I will give 10 important strategies and tips to crack upcoming exams for foundation, inter and final students. So first of all, my suggestion to you: solve mock test paper whichever available as of now. Okay, practice more and more mock test paper. Soon institute will also release more mock test paper. Okay, and yes, most of the CMA fraternity are also solving these more mock test paper for every subject. Okay, you can see different YouTube channel, MEPL classes YouTube channel you can also see, and CMA access and YouTube channel you can see from CMA final law, and you can also see some other YouTube channel. Okay, so if you are facing problem and if you are stuck to solve these mock test papers, so you can see the videos. So hoping that you are getting my point. Okay, and after watching this video, still any candidate has doubt and need to want some more clarification, in the comment section you can ask me. Surely guys, I will try to help you. Now the second important point: please understand that if you want to crack the foundation, inter and final examination, please, my humble request, from starting to till now, I will again and again repeat, please solve mock MCQ booklet, workbook and syllabus 2016 past year paper. My humble request, again and again I will repeat guys, please understand the importance of past year paper, syllabus 2016, MCQ booklet or workbook. You can also see the communication from the past president CMA Balvinder Singh sir. They also said the same thing, an importance of past year paper for CMA student and cracking CMA foundation inter final examination. So please, more and more practice of syllabus 2016 past year paper, MCQ booklet, workbook. All these things you can easily get from the institute website. For MCQ booklet or workbook, I have already prepared a video how to get. Now guys, come to third important points. From starting to till now, I am again and again repeating to students, please and please, at least 15 minutes out of available 24 hours, please spend 10 to 15 minutes to writing theory. Please, writing theory in offline manner is totally different from online manner. Okay, it is too difficult to you, but if you practice more and more, still we have too many time. I can assure that you can have a good command over writing theory in online paper pattern. Okay, please understand that if you lot my students or friends who has given exam in Jan 21 examination, inter and final, they face problem writing theory in keyboard, desktop, whichever mode is available. Reason is that we are not habitual for writing in online manner. Okay, so hoping that you are getting my point. Okay, and the important thing, that fourth point, is that whenever you solve all the 8 paper or 4 paper, if you are giving one group or if you are giving both group, okay, so again solve the mock test paper, but this time you have to make an environment that you are giving exact exam. Okay, a bottle, calculator, and before starting the examination you have to see in front of your laptop that means you are seeing the rough sheets. Okay, so you have to maintain the same decorum in the main exam. Please give at least one. More and more you can practice, then you will habitual to the like environment in the main exam. Hoping this will helpful to you. I can assure you that foundation student can also make the strategy inter and final. Please give an exam. Okay, maintain or make an environment that you are giving the main exam. It will helpful you to become a mentally strong person in main exam. Okay, now fifth point. Now what will be the strategy for I am hoping that institute increase 40 to 60 mark for inter and final MCQ booklet. For MCQ question, one liner or filling the blanks. For foundation, 100% MCQ, so they did not to worry about, but concern is for inter and final. But my suggestion here is that if institute will increase 20 marks, so let's wait for the communication from the institute side. Okay, but what will be the strategy for MCQ? You can say MCQ question, one liner question and filling the blanks. You need not to do a separate. Okay, although institute provide every subject MCQ booklet, you can do, but if you have a good command over your concept, easily you can grab the 40. But please understand the importance of these 40 mark. 20 MCQ base or 20 other section be 20 fill in the blanks or one liner. Okay, if any student scored 30 to 35 out of 40, so easily the group or any particular subject, easily he can connect or score good marks. So please understand the importance of MCQ and fill in the blanks or one liner, total 40 mark. Okay, You need not to do a separate thing. MCQ booklet, more and more mock test paper, past year paper, MCQ book, MCQ questions, past year question, one liner or fill in the blanks question you can solve. Okay, you need not to do a separate thing. Okay, now the important question is that you have saw in the mock test paper for 2 mark, for 3 mark, for 5 mark, long theory answer written by institute in mock test paper. But I can assure that for 2 or 3 mark, you need not to write long answer. Just clear cut and crisp to the point, give the answers. Easily you can attain good marks. And for 5 mark or more than 5 mark, you can moderate. Okay, but you need not to write long answers. Okay, to the point, clear cut and crisp for 2 and 3 mark. For 5 mark, you can write a moderate answers. Okay, you need not to write long answers in BCom. Okay, please understand that examiner will not reduce your marks. I can assure that. Do not worry. And please understand that suppose in the main exam, if you are giving home base or foundation and center base for inter and final, if you face technical problem, if your keyboard is not working, if you are facing any kind of problem, immediate connect with the proctor or invigilator. Okay, do not waste even a single minute, and please, humble request, at least carry two keyboard, calculator. Okay, please, every candidate should carry two keyboard, one in your main exam hall and one outside the room in your bag. Okay, if one of your calculator is not working, then you can take the benefit. Okay, so please understand that importance. And if you are facing technical problem, your keyboard is not working, immediately connect with the invigilator to change the keyboard. Okay, you need not to waste your time. Okay, you have a good keyboard. Okay, and institute and proctor invigilator will provide you. Okay, respective, it is the responsibility of respective center, so do not worry. But if you are facing any technical problem, stay calm. Okay, stay calm, do not worry. You will get all the 3 hours, so do not worry. Still you have any doubt, or you want some clarification, in the comment section you can ask. Surely I will try to help you. Now guys, come to 9. Now, what will be a strategy to attempt your paper if you are a foundational student, if you are an inter student, or if you are a final student? So my suggestion to you, solve those questions, MCQ, one-liner, fill in the blanks, or theoretical or more practical. Solve those questions in which you are confident. Okay, do not waste on you can say that trial and error method, like to solve those questions in which you are not confident. Solve those questions on priority on which you are confident. At least be confident on 70 to 80 marks. Solved on priority 70 to 80 marks, so that if any hard marking will take place, easily 40 to 50 you can score in any paper, or 60 or 70 in other papers. So easily you can correct your group or both group in respective with good marks. So hoping that you are getting my point. Okay, please solve on top priority 70 to 80 marks in which you are totally confident. Okay, and now suppose I have seen that institute, if you are talking about CA institute, CMA institute, CS institute, one paper they will make some different or tough. Okay, it is, you can say that in every attempt this the professional institute will take place. So what will be your strategy? You have to become stay cool and calm. If you're talking about my personal opinion, so in my exam in CMA Inter OMSM and in final SFM, okay, these two papers are totally blank from my, okay, but I stay calm and score good marks in SFM and OMSM, even though I scored more than 60 mark in OMSM. So sometimes we have seen that one or two paper will, you can say that totally different, out of pattern, you can say that, but you need not to worry. Stay calm, solve those questions on top priority in which you are confident, and easily you can crack the examination. And unfortunately, if your one exam is you can say that not well, so do not you can say that do not worry about the other exams. Okay, you have to just focus on the other exams. So this is my strategy and cracks. These are the 10 strategies and important tricks, and you can say tips to cracking September 2021 exam for CMA Foundation and October 2021 for foundation for intermediate and final students. If any student faces any problem, you want any clarification, in the comment section you can ask me. Surely I will try to help you. And whenever I receive the communication for providing relief or any information related with the paper pattern, surely I will update you or give information to you. From my side, that's all about in this video. Bye guys, and best of luck, and keep studying and keep focusing. And if you are stuck and facing any problem, please let me know. Surely I will try to give relief and provide any you can clarification and help you. From my side, that's all about in this video. Bye guys.